Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add Accordion Dropdown to Squarespace product pages. This is a fantastic way to organize product information more efficiently, making your pages cleaner and more user-friendly for customers browsing through your items. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Squarespace dashboard where all your websites are managed. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see a list of websites connected to your account. Simply click on the website where you want to add the Accordion drop-down menu to your product page. This opens up the editing interface for that specific site. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu with several options. Click on Website and then click on Pages underneath it. This section allows you to access and manage all the pages on your site, including your product pages. Now locate your product page from the list. Click on it to expand the options. This is where you'll be able to edit individual products and their layouts. Next, you'll see your category listings. Choose the category that contains the product you want to edit. On the products section beside it, you'll notice 3 dots next to each product. Click those 3 dots and then select Edit from the drop-down menu. This opens up the product editor where you can modify various elements. Now scroll down to the description field. This is where you'll set up your accordion. Type in an accordion title, something clear and descriptive for what information will be contained inside. Make sure to format this title as heading 4. This formatting is crucial because the code we'll add later specifically targets heading 4 elements to create the accordion effect. Right under your accordion title, type the content that will be hidden inside that accordion. This could be shipping information, size guides, care instructions, or any other details you want to organize neatly. Make sure to format this content as paragraph text. This keeps the styling consistent and ensures the accordion functions properly. Once you've set up your content, go back to the main menu. Find Custom Code in the settings and click on Code Injection. This is where we'll add the functionality that makes the accordion work. I already have the code prepared for you, so feel free to pause the video here to copy it. You'll need 2 pieces of code, one for code injection and another for custom CSS. Both are essential for the accordion to display and function correctly. Copy the code injection script, then paste it into the footer field within the code injection area. Placing it in the footer ensures it loads after your page content. Once you've pasted it, click Save to apply the changes. Now go back to Custom Code once more, and this time click on Custom CSS. This section controls the visual styling of your accordion, including how it looks when expanded or collapsed. Copy the custom CSS code and paste it into the custom CSS field. This will style your accordion to match your site's design and make it look polished and professional. After pasting, click Save to finalize the styling, and there you have it. You've successfully added an accordion dropdown to your Squarespace product pages, making your product information more organized and accessible. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.